We live in strange times. Australian housing bubble, RBA interest rates cut again.
Stamp duty cuts.
First home buyer scheme. It's a confusing story. Instead of saying it's confusing, maybe we should take ownership and accountability to really gain some clarity with some education. It's about two things: mindset and financial security. It's never been more important to educate yourself.
Buying your first home, whether it's owner-occupier or investing in your first property in Australia,
Can be really confusing, but it doesn't have to be. It's about financial security and mindset. It's not about simply getting debt. It's about what we do with that debt to move forward.
what you will learn in this course is a structured step-by-step process
That will help guide you into buying your first property.
It comes down to one basic need.
To go from confusion to clarity.
It comes down to you.
There isn't an establishment out there that's going to help us figure this out. So join me as we go through this course together.